How to log in into PaySpy credit card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Best Buy credit card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, city.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your Best Buy credit card account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in the password. In the case you want to remember your user ID, check in for the option of remember. If you have forgotten your password or user ID, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign On, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into PaySpy credit card account. If you haven't registered your card yet, click on this option and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.